Alright, that's recording now. Okay, you can go ahead and start recording.
It's going.
Alright, I'm Joshua P. Warren. I'm here in Puerto Rico in the kitchen of my friend Ita. And for years, I've heard the stories, I've heard the rumors about people who eat iguanas here in Puerto Rico. And I've been dying to try out this rare delicacy, but it's been difficult to be at the right place at the right time to take advantage of an iguana on the menu. Well, tonight's my lucky night. Here I have a nice little bowl full of iguana, and I'm going to finally get to try out this rare tropical delicacy. I tell you, it smells pretty good. It actually smells a little bit like just beef in stew, frankly. So I'm going to go like a caveman and just use my fingers. Here's a nice little chunk of iguana meat. That is surprisingly tasty. I had no idea it was going to be this good. I mean, it tastes like a very well seasoned beef or a roast or something like that. Wow. This is actually surprising. I had no idea that a reptile running around this island would taste this good. It's a very delicate, tender meat. I mean, it kind of reminds me of veal in a way. I have to be careful of bones. I actually like this. It definitely has more of a beefy flavor than a chicken flavor. I mean, you always hear about people saying, oh, this tastes like chicken, that tastes like chicken. This tastes more beefy than like poultry. Oh, you could make an excellent stew with this. I've heard that there's a company here in Puerto Rico that's selling iguanas to Asia, to the restaurant market, and now I can understand why. I can definitely see why. I can understand why this would be a delicacy. Just gotta mind the bones. Well, now I have a new thing to look forward to in life. Every time an iguana is around, I'm gonna get hungry now. I never thought I'd feel that way. All right. Go ahead and stop.